Good morning. It's the 11th grade career education class with Mr. Stewart and
Miss Lively. All right, guys. So this week we're going to review. We've been talking about the career planning process for about a couple weeks now, so you guys should be experts. But just in case you missed a couple things, Mr. Stewart and I are going to go over some key points.
All right, let's go over the 7 steps to career planning. Assess your interests, skills, values, and abilities. Research the big picture. Explore some career options. Create a career plan. Get hired, be successful, and continue planning.
Next, we're going to talk about developing a career self-assessment. Mr. Stewart and I had you guys take a look at yourselves and kind of evaluate where you are right now. Why is this important? Well, I'll tell you. By checking your assessment, you make sure that you can choose a career path that best suits your needs. Next, you can consider your strengths, skills, and abilities. It's always hard to kind of take a look at yourself, but just know there's other people around you that could give you a different insight. Next, it'll help you evaluate the important people and things in your life. People and things that you started out with in the beginning of the year might not be the same at the end of the year. You might decide that you need a change. And last but not least, it'll help you show your personal values by the way you act and the choices you make. Whatever choices you make and the decisions that you make don't just affect you, they also affect the people around you. So make sure that your personal values are showing through and that you're being true to you.
All right, career planning resources. What are resources? Networking. Online websites such as companies, government websites, industry sites, online job industries, as well as social networking sites. Let's continue the resources. Career education teachers would be a resource.
Woo! Who are they, Mr. Stewart?
Career fairs and help wanted ads.
Assignment part 1. Answer the following questions. What is the first step in career planning? If you don't remember, please see the video and go back to that slide. Next, why do you think it's important to continue career planning no matter how old you are? At the end of the 7 steps, it talked about continue to plan. So why do you think even now you still need to keep planning? Next, list 5 career resources. Mr. Stewart went over it with you guys, so please make sure that you go back to look at it and just choose 5. Next, why do you think it's important to keep all of your contacts organized? Mr. Stewart, I don't know about you, but I think we got some pretty well organized students.
I think we do.
And last but not least, why is it important to dress appropriately by attending a career fair? Once you have answered these questions in complete sentences, please email them to me or Mr. Stewart by Thursday.
All right, assignment part 2. Please log into NJCAN. Then you're going to click on the portfolio tab. Next, select the career plan tab. Then click on the getting started tab. Click on the marking plans tab. Then select the inspirational learning plan. Click on the Word document link and then complete the worksheet.
All right, guys. So this will be the last time you hear from them this year. So we hope that you all have a great summer. Be safe. We miss you, and we can't wait to see you next year.
Just remember, you guys are awesome.